Hello everyone, welcome back to QA Career Builder. If you are new to this channel, my name is Rushali, and on this channel we focus on building real QA and automation career, not just a learning tools. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important and confusing topic, which is manual manual testing versus automation testing. Many people ask me actually, should I start with manual testing? And also they have questions like, is manual testing dead, or is manual compulsory, or if it is it manual or sorry automation compulsory? So can get a job only in with manual testing, and which one has a better salary? So lots of people, you people also having that type of some confusing questions, then we are talking about all those topics. So in this video, I will explain everything honestly based on real industrial experience, not a YouTube myths. So please watch this video till the end. This video can change your career decisions. What is manual testing? First, we are started with first question. What is manual testing? Let's first understand what is manual testing really is. Manual testing means you are testing the application without using any automation tool or code. Very simple. You are testing the application without any automation tool or code. You behave like an end user. You click buttons, you enter data, you verify result, you find bugs manually. For example, you open a login page, you type a username, you type password, you click on login, you check whether login is successful or not. So that is manual testing. We must be important in this. Manual testing is not easy as a people think. Yeah, seriously, it's not easy. You think a good manual tester must understand requirements, business logic, user behavior, edge cases, risk areas, all those we need to understand. And secondly, manual testing includes fi- functional testing, regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, exploratory testing, UAT testing. So please remember, manual testing is the foundation of QA. Yeah. Manual tester is a foundation of a QA. Now let's understand automation testing. First we are just seeing in these limitations of manual testing in real companies. Regression testing is a repetitive. We are actually working regression testing repetitive in this manner. So same text cases and execute again and again, and time is limited. So release are frequently. So all as compared to those limitations, we are going through with automation testing. Yeah. So we can understand automation testing in next. Automation testing means you write a code to test the application. Okay. So instead of clicking manually, you write a script. Tools execute a test, and results are generated automatically using automation. For example, instead of logging in manually 100 times, you write one script, and the script runs login test 100 times, which is time consuming. That's the reason we are used automation tools. So for that, which tools we are included in this? Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, API automation tools, mobile automation tools. So, automation is mainly used for regression testing, repetitive test cases, large application, CI/CD pipelines. So, important for automation testing does not replace thinking. Automation only execute what you design. For the next, we are going with manual versus automation. It's a really com comparison. Now let's compare both. Honestly, learning difficult. Manual testing, which is easy to start. Automation testing takes time. Java tools, frameworks, whatever tools we are seeing in this. So all those comes, which is takes time. About job entry, we can see in this. So manual testing easier for freshers. Automation testing difficult for freshers without preparation. About if you are talking about salary, in between both of, then manual testing limited growth, and in about automation testing, which is a higher package and long term, we can do lots of things in automation testing. In automation testing are coming whatever we are seeing in your last video. It's like a UI testing, API testing, mobile automation. Lots of things we are did in this. Now currently coming new frameworks also. And industry demand actually we are seeing. So manual testing is still needed, which is not a dead. Okay. But automation testing is highly demanded. So you have a lots of vacancies, you have a lots of chances to work in automation testing. So we can say in this means last truth of that manual testing is not a date, okay? And automation testing is not a magic. So both are needed together. If we are thinking about manual testing date, so very important. Let me answer this clearly. Manual testing is not date. We are seeing last, but only manual testing career is shrinking. Companies want manual testers who understand automation, QA engineer, not click testers. If you stay only in manual testing for many years, your salary growth will stop. Your options will reduce. That's the reality. So, best career strategy, it's golden advice for you. I will. Now listen carefully. Best path. Learn manual testing properly, understand testing concept deeply, then move to automation step by step. But I will give you some things, some we can do those things. Compared to we never want to, we want to do not do some things like we can't do like jump to directly into Selenium without testing basics or memorize code without understanding logic. Please do not those things. Your career should move like this: manual to automation to framework to CI/CD and go to senior PA. So that is how really career growth. Who should choose what exactly we want to do? If you are fresher, start with manual plus automation basics. What exactly basics in automation? definitely. We are next in videos. We are seeing what exactly automation basics. Manual testers, if you are working as a manual testers, then immediately plan in automation testing. And if you are non-IT background, so start with first manual, then automation. Pl- Please learn or you just grab some knowledge about manual testing, then you can go with automation. If you are experienced as a QA, then strong automation is required. You need to be. There is no shortcut. I will give you just one line of that. Means it's there is no any shortcut. So I will just conclude in this video. Manual testing builds foundation and automation testing builds growth. If you want long-term success, you need to both. So please, in this next video, we will talk about what exactly you need to learn for automation testing, step by step. If this video is helpful to you, subscribe to QA Career Builder and comment your doubts below. And please share this video. Someone needed and like this video. Thank you.